Shandong Longchang Animal Health Product Company Ltd is one leading grain feed additive manufacturer in China, serving more than 6,000 feed manufacturers and over 10 million farmers in the husbandry industry, with the solutions to reduce production costs and improve production performance. Lachance Group has been specialized in R&D of bile acids and other grain feed additives for more than 10 years. Lachance Group has one professional management team with 8 doctors, 20 master degree holders, 8 executive masters of business administration, and 20 experts with a rich experience in feed formulation and husbandry technique. The Lachance R&D Center is equipped with the most advanced testing instruments, which are used to guarantee the product quality and provide customers with lipid and mycotoxin testing services. The R&D Center has research centers for hepatobiliary and fatty acid metabolism. In July of 2014, Lachance obtained new feed additive certificate from Ministry of Agriculture of China. Bile acids can improve the digestion and absorption of fat effectively. Lachance now owns a number of invention patents for production facility, process, and testing method of bile acids. In 2011, Lachance invested $7 million and established the new factory with an annual production capacity of 4,000 tons of bile acids, which can be used in 50 million tons of feed and $7 million for feed manufacturers. Lachance launched happiness feed extracted from Eucabiotics to replace some antibiotics and improve antioxidant capacity of the body, which plays an important role in promoting husbandry without antibiotics. In 2018, Lachance launched Eucabiotics, which is a safe and green product to inhibit bacterial growth, repel parasites, and protect the health of respiratory system and intestinal tract. Lachance has the mission to develop the natural extractive feed additives, save production costs, and improve production performance of husbandry industry. Lachance products have been exported to USA, Egypt, Russia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and other countries and areas, and well received by customers from international markets. Lachance Group will increase the investment in scientific research and development of green, safe, and environment-friendly feed additives, and work together with customers both in China and abroad to promote the safe and healthy development of husbandry and aquaculture industry.